For companies who prefer to always remove the inner liner, Rema Tip Top have developed a tool called Hot Cutter. This tool not only helps to remove the majority of the butyl liner material, but can also be used to remove old patch units which are obsolete. Final cleaning of the texturized area is completed with a brass cleaning brush. A vacuum is used to remove any debris. The first coat of tip-top OTR cement is applied to the buffed area and left to dry fully. This takes approximately 1 hour. Whilst waiting for the cement to dry, the repair details can be recorded on a written or computerized log. Some of these details are also transferred to the patch information logo. Approximately 10 minutes before the end of the drying time, the protective foil is removed from the patch unit. The patch bonding layer is then coated with 1 coat of tip-top OTR cement. The tyre liner is now given a second coat of OTR cement. Minimum drying time for both the patch and the area inside the tyre is now 10 minutes. Temperature and humidity need to be taken into account. Do not exceed 45 minutes drying time. 10 to 20 minutes is quite normal. The patch repair unit is now laminated with tip-top SV blue cushion rubber. It is stitched with a flat roller stitcher. Then scored at the center with a sharp knife. The plastic foil can be loosened at the center, but it should not be removed. This prevents contamination of the bonding layer. The patch is now positioned in relation to the previously marked auxiliary lines. Working from the patch center, foil is progressively removed and the patch stitched from the center working outwards. After stitching by hand, the patch is now hammer stitched using a pneumatic patch hammer. The full 5-ton pressure of the EMTP machine is also used to fully press the patch. No additional heat is required, and the patch is pressed for 15 minutes at the center. Each outer patch area is pressed for 10 minutes. Finally, stitch the border area of the patch unit. This process is completed with a generous coat of tip-top inner liner sealer to the patch border and over buffed area. The outside repair area is now finish buffed to improve the aspect of the tyre. In the case of a tread repair, the area is re-grooved. The repair area is moved to approximately the 9 o'clock position to prevent any distortion of the patch repair unit during curing. Total vulcanization of the patch unit to the tyre takes 48 hours at a temperature of 18 degrees centigrade, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Before dispatch to the customer, the tyre is finally inspected. tip-top repair materials can also be used in other types of OTR repair systems, such as a one-stage repair system using an autoclave or section mold. When completing a one-stage system, the prepared injury area and the already buffed liner inside the tyre is coated with tip-top MTR solution. After 1 hour, the patch backing paper is removed. Then brush MTR solution into the blue bonding layer. At the same time, apply a second coat of MTR solution to the outside injury area and the patch placement area inside the tyre. Drying time is 10 to 45 minutes, but 20 minutes is considered normal. The patch is then laminated with MTR cushion rubber. It is then applied to the injury area inside the tyre. After application of the patch unit, fill the outside injury with extruded MTR rubber compound. Each layer of fill is stitched to prevent air traps. Curing can now be initiated by means of a full circle mold, a section mold, or a giant autoclave. The complete repair is vulcanized simultaneously with a combination of heat, time, and pressure. Rema Tip-Top has a complete system for repairing all types of OTR tyres. Let Rema Tip-Top help you keep your valuable OTR tyres working longer and longer hours. It's not only good for your budget, it's good for the industry and it's good for the environment. Remember, OTR tyres are made to be worn out, not thrown out. So start with the best. Choose Rema Tip-Top as your partner for a complete OTR tyre repair system, which includes professional training to meet your specific needs. Together, we make a great team.